I'm Barton George. I'm coming to you live from OSCON. I'm here with Brett Piatt. How are you, Brett?
Doing good this afternoon. Having a fun day at OSCON. Today was the Cloud Summit and talked a lot about OpenStack. Had a blast.
So tell me, you work for Rackspace. What do you do there?
So I'm on the OpenStack ecosystem development team. I came out of the Rackspace corporate strategy group. We spent the last 9 months or so really getting everything ready for the announcement that went out on Monday.
And then what within the OpenStack stuff? What was your main area of focus?
So my main area of focus was talking to all of the partners and people out there that would participate in the project and help us make money off of it all together. So Rackspace focused on just hosting this for customers that are interested in service. We have partners like Dell involved to provide hardware solutions out there to people that want to operate and run software like OpenStack in their data centers.
And who are some of the other partners? I think there was over 20 partners at the Design Summit.
Yeah, so we had well over 20 companies there. So a number of them are in the software space to help you manage and operate OpenStack, like a CloudKick or RightScale as a cloud service company. There are also a number of other service providers in there because our feeling to get OpenStack out there and really to make it successful, other service providers need to adopt this platform and run it in their data centers as well, and that creates new market opportunities similar to the way that in the service provider space today on the network level people peer with each other and we just send packets across the internet back and forth, and that might go across 8 or 10 providers. Today with cloud you can't really peer with anybody else or pass VMs back and forth between each other, and if we can have a big ubiquitous footprint out there running on a common certified hardware platform and things like that, then we'll be able to move things back and forth and open up all sorts of new technology opportunities.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool that you guys had competitors there. And so the other question I was going to ask is what API are you using? I'm assuming it's the Rackspace API?
So Rackspace will continue to use the Rackspace API in the platform, and the reason is that APIs are the way to expose the functionality inside the platform. So with that you build features in the platform, and then those APIs are a programmatic way for you to use that functionality. If we were to adopt an API that somebody else was driving and leading on, then the platform would essentially have to follow behind on that API's roadmap. So we want to be able to innovate on the platform. We want to be able to push and change things. So in order to do that, you really have to couple the API with the feature releases.
And so as you look out towards the future, what is the near-term goal that you have for your piece of this that you're looking to get done?
So a near-term goal, we really want to start getting this into production in places beyond Rackspace and beyond NASA. That's really the testament that OpenStack is successful, that people are taking it, they're not just putting it in their lab, they're not just talking about it, but they're seeing that it really meets business needs, solves problems for them, enables them to enter new markets, and they go out and take that and put it in production and utilize it themselves as an enterprise or resell it to other people as a service provider.
And if I was a hacker and wanted to start in on some of this code, what's available right now?
So right now we have the OpenStack object storage available, which powers Rackspace Cloud Files today. That project is a distributed object store, and you can get in on there. There's full code for that. There's a lot of things that need to be done still, the new features that can be iterated on. So if you like large-scale distributed systems, that's a fun one to work on. And then there's the Nova code, which is the mix of the Rackspace Cloud and NASA's Nebula Cloud software. And that is a cloud VM and orchestration systems management package. There's a number of things to work on there as well. Most of this code's written in Python. Some of it's written in C and C++. We utilize RabbitMQ, which has Erlang in it. So we've also built into the platform iPad, iPhone apps, Android apps, and a web control panel. So it's really open to people that develop all sorts of languages and all sorts of applications to come and participate in the ecosystem.
Excellent. Brett Piatt, thank you so much.
Thank you.